Hi, I'm Alexi. And I'm Arie. Today we are going to make cheese pizza. The ingredients you will need are all-purpose flour or bread flour, sugar, garlic powder, salt, olive oil, yeast, and water. Later you will need shredded cheese, tomato sauce, and olive oil. First, we add only 1 cup of flour to a big bowl. Yeast. Then we add in sugar and salt. You don't need to, but we also added a little garlic powder for a little extra flavor. Then we stir really well. After everything is stirred well, we add the olive oil and water. The water should be between 105 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure you get a adult to help you at this point because the water is hot. Stir until everything is mixed well. Now we add the leftover flour. We just use 1 cup of flour, but you could use more if the flour is too sticky. Try to add only a little bit of flour at a time. The dough should be elastic and pull away from the sides of the bowl. Next, we get a large bowl and we brush olive oil all over it. Put the dough ball inside of it and roll it around so the whole dough ball is covered in it. Now we cover the bowl with plastic wrap. Put it in a warm place for 30 minutes. When the dough is double the size, it's ready. My mom usually starts to preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we gently pop the dough ball, then we knead it a few times on the flour surface. Kneading means to squeeze or massage the dough. Then we use a rolling pin to roll the dough into a 12-inch circle. My sister and me like to make weird pizza shapes or a rectangle. Any shape is okay as long as the dough is evenly thick. When you are finished, put it on top of a flat pan with parchment paper. We use a pizza pan, but if you don't have one, any flat pan can work. Now drizzle some olive oil and brush it evenly. Get a fork and poke holes all over the dough. I like this part. We do this so the dough doesn't get big bubbles when it bakes. For the next part, we add tomato sauce. You could add as much as you want. We also tried tomato paste and marinara sauce, but we like the taste of tomato sauce the best. Now you could add shredded mozzarella. That's really tasty, but for our cheese pizza, we like using a mixed shredded cheese. You could also add other toppings if you want. My parents put garlic and pepperoni on their pizzas. There. I'm not a fan. Me and my sister just like making cheese pizza. Now bake the pizza for 13 to 15 minutes. until the cheese melts and looks lightly golden brown. Making cheese pizza is one of my favorite recipes. And then eat it all up. Hope you like our video. Please subscribe.